back to my channel and welcome to another episode of... Today I'm going to be trying fall flavored drinks. I looked it up and there's apparently 4 different drinks that they have for the fall. I've never tried any of them, so I'm going to be trying them out today and seeing if I like them. So I'm sitting here trying to get in the fall spirit, fall vibes, you know. It's really hard when you live in Florida and it's 90 degrees every single fucking day. I'm sick of it. I'm tired of it. I'm sitting here in a turtleneck, sweating, not okay. Fall doesn't exist here, okay? And I'm just trying to pretend. So let's head to Starbucks and pray that they carry these drinks. So I'm ordering these online through the app, so we're gonna see what they've got and hope for the best. I love when people are just stopped in the middle of the road. That is the best. Oh, I love almost crashing. Don't vlog and drive, it's dangerous, people. So I ran up a check and I bought those 4 drinks, and then I bought 2 more versions of those drinks, but iced instead of the hot ones, and we're gonna test them all out and see how it goes. So we're on our way to Starbucks right now. And I'm sweating my ass off, but it's fine. I'm fine. Okay, so I just got back. I got all the drinks and now we're gonna test them out. The first one that I'm gonna start with is this one because it looks like the best to me. It looks really interesting, so I'm excited. So this is the maple pecan latte. It has some little sprinkles at the top here. That was kind of a letdown. It tasted pretty bitter. So I don't know. We're on to the next. This is a hot drink. So this is the pumpkin spice latte. This is my first time trying it. Let's see if it's worth the hype, and maybe I'll become a basic ass bitch and get this. Whoa. Whoa! No wonder I've been missing out. Like, this all makes sense now. I get the hype. That's so good. That's amazing. My wig literally just fucking levitated across the room. Like, I'm quaking. That's insane. It just tastes like a hot chocolate that has like a pumpkin spice. Well, no fucking shit. I don't know, dude. Ooh, I haven't had a Frappuccino in a long time. This is the salted caramel frap. So we're gonna test this one out. She looks fine as motherfuck. Ew, what the fuck? That one was a little bit too intense. Like, it's pretty good. It does taste good, but oh my god. If this falls out one more fucking time, dude. It's pretty good. I think the caramel taste, though, is just a little too overpowering. Like, it is very, very salty. So the next thing that we're going to be trying is another hot drink. Who is she? Reveal yourself. We don't even know. I have no idea what this is. I was just scammed. Like, they gave me 2 of the same thing, so. The Starbucks barista looked at me. He's like, what is this bitch doing? Why is she recording me? What's going on? Why is she in a fucking turtleneck in 90 degrees? And I'm just kind of like... It's not like I'm having a mental breakdown or anything. It's fine. Okay, so the last drink that we have here is a pumpkin spice caramel macchiato. She a catfish, let me tell you. She does not look like her picture.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Whoa. This could be the biggest surprise ever.
That is something else. So I always order a caramel macchiato at Starbucks. This is the same thing, but with a little bit of a twist. Some pumpkin spice. Okay, so yeah, it's definitely not an everyday thing. It's kind of weird. Like, I'm not just gonna like ever like crave that. Maybe just once in a while, you know, get in the spirit. I don't know, and decide I want that, but it's not gonna be a staple. It's really not too, bro. So overall, these drinks were nothing really too special. I feel like I wouldn't order them on a daily basis or anything like that, but they are fun once in a while to have a nice little like treat. I don't know, get in the fall spirit, try to pretend it's fall when it's really 90 degrees, you're sweating, you're dying. Oh yeah, and my eyebrows are tragic, so please don't come for me. Please pray for me, if anything. Help me. My overall consensus is I'm not a big fan of pumpkin spice. It's not too special, it's not too great, but it does make you feel festive. That's all it's got going for it. And that's really it. She's not too great. Pumpkin spice, I'm sorry girl, but you're just average. I cannot wait for the Christmas drinks though, because those are the fucking best. Like, oh my fucking god, fuck this stupid earring. The pumpkin spice latte takes the dub for sure. Second place would have to be the caramel macchiato. The third thing is like this caramel drink. What comes in last place is the maple pecan. She was trash, honestly. She let me down. I was really looking forward to her the most, and well, $27 down the drain, and she really flawed me out here. But I hope you guys enjoyed. This was a fucking wreck, a roller coaster, a horrible time. This was a series of traumatic events. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me try all these fall Starbucks drinks. Let me know if you want me to do any other Starbucks videos or something. I don't fucking know. Subscribe, please. Thank you. Yeah. Woo! Thank you, everyone. Thank you for coming out tonight. Subscribe, motherfucker.
Will you end my pain? Will you take my life? Will you